So here's new viral app called Irmo AI, especially for Valentine's Day. This is the app where you can generate AI kissing, all types of AI kissing videos like romantic kiss, celeb kiss, hot kiss, AI trance, and hugging, muscle up. And then, yeah, just basically how do you do it? You just open it up, you upload first person, second person, you upload group photo, and then it identifies people, and this is what you're getting. So here, for example, AI hugging. So I just uploaded random selfie of myself, and then Scarlett Johansson, whatever, some AI celebrity kind of. This is what you will see as a result of the how this model works. So as you can see, quite great. Like it's quite realistic. You can see, yeah, it's not that perfect, but yeah, it's quite realistic. So here's what you can see in there. So that's what it is. And then that's just what you have in there. So that's what you have. So yeah, that's the app. It's only available via paid subscription, so you need to upgrade. So try it out.